Uniforms and dress code. The Better Life Maids dress code policy is designed to help us all provide a consistent professional appearance to our customers and colleagues. It is good to remember that our appearance reflects on ourselves and the company. The goal is to be sure that we maintain a positive appearance and not to offend customers, clients, or colleagues. The success of any company is reliant on the support and goodwill of its customers. For this reason, it is important that Better Life Maids maintains a professional image. As representatives of this company, team members must adhere to the dress code policy. Who does this policy apply to? The Better Life Maids dress code policy applies to all levels of technicians, trainers, supervisors, and office members. Just like any great team on the field or off, we want to make sure we all feel a part of the same team. So, why do we have uniforms and a dress code? A uniform identifies us as a person hired by Better Life Maids and not some random guy off the street who wants to look at their toilet. Okay, not likely to happen, but still, we wear our uniform. So let's get into the dress code policy and how you can put your best duster forward. Dress code policy. Employees must always present a clean, professional appearance. Everyone is expected to be well-groomed and wear clean clothing, free of holes, tears, and other signs of wear. All employees should maintain an acceptable level of bodily hygiene to ensure that interactions with other staff and clients remains positive and pleasant. Clothing with offensive or inappropriate designs or stamps are not allowed. Clothing should not be too revealing and shorts should not be above the knee. Jewelry should be removed while cleaning as it poses a risk of damaging furniture. Better Life Maids uniform. You will be expected to wear a clean Better Life Maids uniform on all days that you work. The uniform includes a Better Life Maids branded shirt, your name tag and core values card, a pair of khaki pants, shorts, or capris, black or white tennis shoes, and last but not least, your green cleaning apron. Dress code violations. It can be frustrating to be told that you are in violation of the dress code, especially if you feel like you've done your best to adhere to the rules. However, it is important to remember that dress codes are put in place for a reason, whether it be to maintain a professional image or to ensure the safety of all of our employees. If you are told that you are in violation of the dress code, it is important to try and understand why and to correct the issue as soon as possible. This may mean leaving work to change clothes, and we understand that this can be inconvenient. We want to reassure you that if you have any questions about the dress code or if you feel like it is unacceptable, you can always reach out to HR or any office staff member for help. We are here to support you and to make sure that you understand our policies and why they are in place. If you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to speak up. We are here to listen and help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.